Welcome to my channel. This is your host Urbana here. I hope you all are doing great. Like pretty many of us don't have a proper idea about social media marketing. That's why we are going to have a detailed discussion on it. Coursera is a great platform to know about anything. So we will discuss an article published by Coursera. If you don't know about Coursera, you can check the link in the description. The article is What is a social media marketer and how to become one. We have divided this article into two parts. So the first one is what do social media marketers do, and the second one is social media manager versus social media marketer. In simple words, a social media marketer uses social media tools for promoting and building a brand. And according to Coursera, social media marketers are marketing specialists who use social media platforms to promote companies' offerings. They often use platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok to reach new customers and engage with the current ones and announce new products or services. Social media marketers can work in-house or as a freelancer or contractor. Now, what do social media marketers do? These following tasks are usually done by a social media marketer. Oversee an organization's overall social media strategy, work with copywriters and designers to create and publish social media posts, monitor social media metrics to optimize future performance, stay up to date with social media trends, technology, laws, and best practice, respond to and engage new users' comments and messages, use social listening tools to understand what people are saying to social media. My overview till now. See, when you are creating a brand, you have so many works to do. You can't be perfect on everything. For building a business or establish a brand as a brand, you need to hire some employees for different roles. The era has changed. You can't rely on the traditional advertising method. You have to come in the social media platform for making your brand. That's why you need a social media marketer. If you're thinking about hiring a social media marketer, you can contact me. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more and like and share if you do.